Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome to my video telling you all why I think Hyper Plinko is a scam, okay? Guys, Hyper Plinko gives you the concept and I guess the premise of you're gonna be winning real life cash if you play this app, okay? What you need to understand, everyone, is that these games are specifically created to make sure you watch as much advertisements for the developer as possible, okay? Don't get it twisted, everyone. This is all part of the developer's plan to get ad revenue off you. All you're going to do, literally, I'm just trying to make sure that I don't... Yeah, there we go. I don't want to watch an ad if I don't have to on this app, okay? Hyper Plinko, the developers are trying to make this as, I guess, ad friendly as possible. They just want to spam ads so you watch them to give them ad revenue. Now, do you really think that they're going to give you $1,000, right, if you collect 25 of the fruits? I'm sorry, everyone, but I highly suspect that Hyper Plinko is a scam. Don't let the big ratings fool you, okay? Don't let them fool you. Even though this app has so many good ratings, don't let it get it twisted. Do you really think they're going to give you all that money? Seriously. I've heard so many stories, right, where people will get... we're doing pretty good right now on Hyper Plinko. In real life, I'd be very happy. Like, seriously, like, if I knew the app was real, I've already clocked up $10, dude, or $13 nearly, literally. But do you really think an app, right, is going to reward you real life money for shooting pinballs down a field? Like, seriously, guys, you have to think about this realistically here. I don't want to upset anyone that's really dedicated time to this. But I've heard once you get to around $90 or so, the game slows down dramatically. I don't know why, I don't know how, but yeah, apparently $90 is the threshold where things start to get really bad for Hyper Plinko. So I want to hear your opinions, everyone. If you have successfully cashed out on Hyper Plinko, please drop me a comment. I want to hear it. I want to hear how you cashed out $100, okay? I need to hear it, or whatever you've redeemed here. Because as you can see, $100 to cash out a PayPal rewards card, okay? PayPal rewards card there. Amazon gift card, you need 4 million coins. 4 million coins, dude, to cash out $2 on an Amazon gift card. 9 million coins for $5 and 15 million coins to either get a $10 PayPal cash card or Amazon card. Now, I play all types of these apps on my channel, okay? If you guys are new to me, my name is Vince. I play all gambling, investing, any sort of money, finance apps. I play it on my channel. I love money, okay? Look at this, though. Do you really think that this is legitimately, like, legit? Is this legit, guys? I'm speechless. Like, how this app is tricking so many people, I just don't know. And I'm hoping that you guys out there are listening to me. Don't expect to win money on Hyper Plinko, everyone. I'm going to be covering other games as well on my channel. Not just Hyper Plinko. There's going to be other games as well, everyone, I'm going to be covering, okay? Once we run out of these pinballs, we're pretty much screwed. Hyper Plinko is rewarding us right now, okay? But it's going to get to the point where I'm going to have to watch an ad no matter what I do. Because I'm not going to wait 10 minutes to get a pinball. That is right, everyone. You have to wait 10 minutes to get a pinball, okay? It's not a joke. Like, right now, I'm about to be screwed and I have to watch an ad. I'm not going to make you guys watch the ad, though. I'm going to fast forward through this ad, okay? But, yeah, unless I get something good here, which I might... No, 20... There you go, got coin blocks. Either way, I have to watch the ad now to get 30 balls. See how it works, everyone? Like, legit. I don't know how these apps are still around, dude. Either way, let's watch the ad. I want to skip it. Here we go. Alright, we're back, everyone. Here we go. Let's see. We have 30 pinballs to shoot around now. Here we go. Let's try and generate some of that big cash reward. I'm so excited, man. I'm going to keep making videos on this app until you guys understand that this is not a real app. Like, it's an app, but you're not going to make money on it, okay? I want to see someone generate 4 million coins when you only get 5 coins per the star little, you know, bounces here, whatever you want to call them. These little stars, the circles, only give you 5 coins, everyone. And you need to generate 4 million of them. Do you understand what I mean? Like, dude. You're going to be there all day, literally trying to grind cash on Hyper Plinko. It's the biggest scam, I feel, going around, alright? I don't care what anyone says. Look at this. Like, oh yeah, it's rewarded me all these coins, so now I get to waste more pinballs. Excellent design. Yeah, excellent design, brother. Seriously, dude. Either way. One more slot. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to watch an ad. Yeah, I want to watch a video, dude. Yeah. The fact that this app is getting so viral, I mean, I can understand that it can be addicting. Like, I just hope you're playing it just for the sake that it's an app, not to make real-life money. Because that's what they're really trying to push in their advertisement, it's that this is for real-life money. When it's not, everyone. Like, it's not. You're not going to win millions. Like, I don't care. Or what they show in their ads is that you win hundreds of dollars. Yeah, right, man. You win $100, alright? If you get 100 of the cash, or, where is it? 15 million coins for $10. I love it. And here's the best kicker out of all of them. Claim $1,000, everyone. Yes. Collect 25 kinds of fruit and claim $1,000. Yeah, dude, because I'm sure people aren't going to hack your little app and then just, you know, instantly give themselves all the fruit. They're never going to redeem, like, they're never going to give you the $1,000, everyone. No, an app's not going to give you $1,000, dude, because you know how many people will be getting $1,000 and just hacking this little app? Seriously. It's funny, when you turn on Hyper Plinko, it says Google's not affiliated with us at all. Well, no duh. Either way, now I have to watch another ad to get some more pinballs. We'll be back. Alright, I have 30 more pinballs, baby. Let's do this. Let's see if we can win all that big money. I want to earn that PayPal cash, everyone. Come on. Give me the PayPal money. Let me start my investing life on Hyper Plinko. I really hope people are watching this right now, and I hope you guys share this to people you know. This is not a legitimate way to make money. A mobile app is not going to give you money, guys. I mean, they might. Look, they might give out a couple of $100 here and there to show people that, yes, they do pay out. But they're not going to give out $1,000 to every single person that collects 25 fruit. I've only played this app for about, like, an hour and a half in total of game time, right? And I already have 13 of the 25 fruit. Seriously, dude. Yeah, I'm sure they're going to give everyone $1,000. Legit, come on. Look, I just can't believe you get 5 coins per these little gold stars. And they expect you to get 4 million of these things. Wow. Just wow. It hurts my feelings. Like, you can tell how revved up I'm getting everyone, because this actually annoys me a lot. Like, it's just sad to me that these apps will prey on young kids mainly. Because let's be real, it's going to be a lot of young people that are mainly going to play this app, for real. Like, you got to admit, guys, come on. Do you see adults really expecting to win $1,000 playing an app? It's all a show. It's all an act. That's just my personal opinion, though. I want to hear your comments. I want to hear if someone disagrees with me. Let me know how legit Hyper Plinko is. Just let me know. Apparently, I'm on $18.98 right now. Excellent. Excellent. We'll keep the grind up here, though, either way, okay? It's just one of those situations. They do have the slot machine up there, which is always good, but I don't know. It just rewarded me 5 pinballs there. That's great. I'm almost out of pinballs again here, by the way. Everyone, get ready for it. About to end. Yep, about to run out right now, and I'm out of pinballs completely. There you go. I'm up to $20 in real life money right now. Woohoo! Alright, well, yeah, look, pretty much that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you very much, guys. Check out my channel for more content. I'll catch you all around. Stay safe out there. See you next time.